Hey guys, we are at Tortas Factory off the Buford Highway in Doraville. I'm here with my friend Sarah.
Hola.
Hola, so stay tuned for more food, yeah.
Or is this like avocado salsa?
I think the labeling's wrong because it says guacamole on top.
That's what these pickled things.
Get a bunch. It's fine.
It's like bar tacos lines. Like baby size. So I went to the little bar to get what I thought was pickled vegetables, but apparently they're serrano peppers or jalapenos, and they're really spicy.
She's setting me up for this one. Cheers.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Is that not spicy to you?
It's tingling. I'm just trying to hold it for the camera. Okay, guys. So we got to order tacos along with the tortas. I believe that's lengua. We have some barbacoa. I'm not sure which one's barbacoa. And pastor. I believe that's pastor. You hungry yet?
I'm freaking starving.
Okay.
They're kind of tiny.
Yeah.
They're $2?
$2 2-bite tacos.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I'll let you.
It looks big.
That's what she said.
It looks large.
Okay. So what do we have, Sarah?
A Milanesa torta.
Look at that.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and
That's
do
a
your
veggie
pictures.
for health.
Yeah. All for the gram, guys. Yes. Cheers. First bite, guys. Let's see how it tastes.
It's super crunchy bread.
Super flaky, not too dry, but good bit of toppings on there. Avocados, you got the standard lettuce, tomatoes. I think that's just mayo. Is that what you taste too? On the bottom?
Cheese?
Oh, cheese and mayo, sorry.
I don't know what kind of cheese. Did it say?
I don't think so.
Well, to me, it's similar to a burger, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like pretty much like a burger, almost like a
Yeah, it's like a thin
patty.
steak-like burger.
Kind of like the Latino version of Steak and Shake without the long ass wait.
I want to try it by itself.
So it's pretty tasty, guys. Definitely recommend it for like you're doing a quick lunch.
How much is it?
$12.40.
12?
Yeah, on a Sunday afternoon, it's pretty laid back over here, guys. Our order came out fairly quickly, even though we ordered tortas, it's tacos. It's pretty tasty. It's not like dry, like an overcooked burger that I had with Greg and friends last night. Talk with you, badass burgers.
The only thing I would say
Yes.
is the bread is different than most tortas I've had.
Yes. Why is that?
I don't know. It's like, it seems like more fluffy.
Okay. More soft and chewy.
I guess it's not as dense as most torta bread.
It's a good thing because I believe Sarah just had teeth surgery. Teeth surgery?
Yes.
Yes.
I had a metal post drilled into my gums.
Oh no. For more noms? I don't know. So she's enduring the face of pain right now as she's enjoying her.
Ow. I was a bit down on it.
Yes. Would you order this again?
I would, but I would like to try it with chicken.
Chicken?
I would like a grilled at the chuga.
Chuga, all right.
That one definitely has cheese. Like they usually do it with cheese coated on the outside.
How would you compare this to the places that you go to for your fix?
I would say it's very comparable. Comparable, but it does seem a little more dry than what I'm used to. And I don't know if that has to do with the bread. I don't know. But usually when I eat a Milanesa, it's like running down my arm.
Saucy. It's pretty saucy and juicy.
Or maybe like, juicier tomatoes or, I don't know. But other than that, it's very comparable.
Okay. I normally don't order tortas because it's a lot of bread and I get too full off of that. So I usually go crazy with the tacos and get like maybe 4 or 5 or 6 if I'm really hungry, just so I can try different kind of meats from a place. But it's pretty interesting. I mean, like Sarah described, it's kind of like a thin burger. I think it's pretty good for what it is. So I'm just now curious because this is pretty good standard torta to me. And if there's better places, I definitely want to go check them out because it's actually not bad. It's pretty good for what it is. It's like a simple.
How much was it? $6?
Yeah.
Well,
How's that stack up?
It sort of makes me think that it's more like this would be more of like a fast food type of torta. Not that it's like quality. What am I doing?
Okay.
It's not like fast food quality, but the speed at which it comes out and the price makes it reminds me of like Cuba Mia on Buford Highway.
Yeah.
It's like Cuban food, but almost like fast Cuban food.
Like fast casual.
Yeah. So it's like not going to be as good as it might be at like a typical sit-down restaurant.
Okay.
But usually tortas are like $9 or $10 at Mexican restaurants, right?
I think so. They're up there. So for fast casual, order the counter, bring the food out to your table kind of place.
Yeah.
Tortas Factory is not bad.
Yeah, this bread, it reminds me of a sub bread, which I guess
like
is...
the French bread.
Yeah.
Kind of like more like a French roll that they're using the tortas on versus more like a flat, I wouldn't say flat bread, but more like a pressed down sandwich. Good or bad depending on what you guys like, but it's a lot more bread versus the normal kind of bread that's usually served with tortas. So just be mindful of that. It is going to fill you up, so it's pretty good for that if you were just wanting to get like one thing from lunch and...
$6.
Yeah, $6, not bad.
Fun fact, I love tacos.
Tacos. Can't go to a place and not order tacos, especially when they have pastor. So hopefully these are just as good as the other places that we like to go to as well. And yeah. All right.
My personal favorite is chorizo.
Chorizo. What's your best place for chorizo tacos in Atlanta so far?
Oh shit.
Just go top of your head.
This is a controversial. Well, of course, El Rey del Taco. Of course, Chicago Supermercado Chicago.
Which is more like a deli inside, guys. So don't think it's like your Publix and they have tacos just there sitting pre-made. It's more like a deli in the back. And just have a variety of different meats kind of just being cooked, stewed, braised. Pretty tasty.
Yeah, lots of meats.
Lots of meats. I got the meats.
Also, El Potro on Buford Highway.
Ooh, haven't been there yet.
One of my favorite places.
Yes.
And La Pastorcita on Buford Highway.
Awesome.
All those places.
Oh, so that's pastor, barbacoa, and that's lengua.
Lengua.
So, ladies' choice.
What does lengua mean, guys? Pleasant. Okay.
She's so polite. Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
You take the bite now.
You got it. All right. We're supposed to do a cheers thing. Boop.
My initial impression is that they're not going to live up to the ones that you like from California.
Yes. Which is a given. I mean,
Also,
pretty far from the border in Georgia.
I think the meat is rather dry.
I think so too. Could add a little bit.
It seems it's either. It's either overcooked or it's just too, too old.
Yeah. So definitely would like to see how it is maybe on a day when it's made fresh, I guess, to see how it kind of stacks up. But definitely add a little bit more sauce to it.
Yeah, this is difficult.
Just pour it.
How do you add sauce with a fork?
I would just pour it.
Okay.
Yeah, get that, guys. Look at that. She's going crazy. just wrapped up at Tortas Factory. Pretty decent. Lunch spot, not that great, but it's casual. What do you think, Sarah?
I think the torta was good. We had some miniature tacos. Some were better than others, but yeah, it'd be like a good lunch spot.
Yeah. No frills, kind of casual spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
convenient location.
Yeah. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you like this, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And thanks, shout out to Sarah for joining me on this little food adventure. Sarah, how can we find you?
You can find me on IG at Atlanta Best Bites, so check out the description below for more information.
Cool. Until next time, guys, good eats.